Kilo? Yes. 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 I'm under arrest for what? No. Tell me. Under arrest for what? No. The law is very clear. Listen. The law is very clear. For hate speech. Where are my summons?
Not summons. No summons. Just tell us whether you are going to cooperate or not.
I will cooperate. You want us to go to NCAC? Yes. I will be in my car. Yes. I will follow you. Yes. Okay? With that. You want me to join your car?
Arrest. Okay, let's go. Why don't you just cooperate?
I'm cooperating.
Don't create any scenes, unnecessary scenes.
I don't create scenes.
I will not press you. I'm just.
I have told you I am ready.
It is the law.
It is the law to be pushed inside.
No. We're not pushing you. We're not pushing you. Please, just cooperate. Mheshimiwa, I must sit here.
You must sit here?
Yes.
You don't spoil my jacket. I have to remove it.
I won't.
Excuse me. Let me stand up, remove it, and I sit in the middle. You know, I came out. Mimi? Yaro kwa nini? Hey, yeah. Let me tell you.
There's no problem.
A coward dies 1,000 lives. A soldier dies but once. And I'm ready.
Please.